So Nate, do a little updates on your truck, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. I already have a roll-up cover, and I wanted to get a rack for kayaks actually in the summer when the lake isn't frozen as it currently is. But taking a look, I decided to go with this absolutely awesome Contour series. I think it gives it a really nice sort of clean, sort of off-road feel. And of course, I can get full bed access if I ever need to. But I think together, they definitely look pretty nice. Tonneau cover mounts for the inside rails of the pickup bed, so meshes right along great with this rack. And as you can see, maybe kind of along the sides here, there's this really sweet channel here and along the crossbars too, so I can get tie downs, cargo cleats, load dividers, stuff like that, and actually make use of that space too.
So they actually make kayak rack systems that work with that too?
Yeah, we have really awesome J-hook style stuff on the website. We have a bunch of different carriers and things like that. This particular one actually has a pretty standard 1.5 inch wide crossbar, so pretty much anything that has a strap sort of installation is going to work great with this setup.